Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. If you own one of these sanders, you're definitely not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. All right, I got the projects done. Did it 3 different ways, just in case if you didn't have a CNC machine. I do prefer the CNC machine method. It's a little more precise and it fits that knob quite well. It's near perfect fit. The only thing I kind of wish I did with the CNC machine, and I can always go back and do this, is go all the way through the piece, much like these. You can kind of see the nut, otherwise you kind of have to feel around and put it down on it. But it's still not a big deal. I do like the longer length on this one, and yeah, it worked out really well. The scroll saw one, it also worked pretty well. I do like this one as well. I like how thin it is actually. So if I redo it on the CNC machine, I will probably use 1/2 inch material instead of 3/4. I do like the how thin it is. That's the main thing I like about these two actually. I had to do a little bit of sanding just to make it fit right. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. The drill press one, the one I did with the drill bit and the coping saw, did not realize how dull my coping saw blade was, so that kind of sucked, but the drill press got pretty close to where I needed to go, and I needed to finish it off with sanding as well. The only one I really didn't have to sand at all is the CNC machine. I guess that's the perk of having one. That's about it. I don't have any plans on these, but I think you can kind of figure out how I did it. I do have the SVG file if anybody wants the SVG file for the CNC machine, and I'll probably share this project on the easel or Inventables page. I'll probably share this one so anybody can make this for this particular sander. But I know a lot of people's had problems with the knob on these sanders. I think Steve French did something similar to this maybe a couple years ago or something. I don't quite remember, but I think he did something like this as well. But a pretty simple project. If you own one of these, I would highly recommend making one of these little tools. If this is your first time watching, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button as well. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down button, but please leave me a comment and let me know what I can do to improve my videos. I'm always looking for a way to improve my videos, and I cannot do that without your help. So please hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.